Meantime, the pandemic is forcing one vital industry to adapt on a daily basis. Funeral homes are not only anticipating unprecedented need, they're also changing how they comfort and console. Denise working from home this week, and she's joining us now with more on these new challenges for these funeral homes. Denise.
Well, Nicole, think about the last time you may have attended a funeral service or a viewing. Lots of people crowd into an intimate space, they hug, they talk, they share memories, and it's a very important part of the grieving process. But the coronavirus has made all of that now very dangerous.
It's very difficult. Losing someone is already a horrible, traumatic experience.
Patrick Fleming is general manager at Baltimore's Loudon Park Funeral Home, where Governor Hogan's mandate limiting gatherings to no more than 10 people has dramatically affected the way families can grieve.
We are really trying to discourage families from holding public viewings. Families are scared. We've had several families that have canceled visitations and have opted only for graveside services.
That's what the family of Shirley Mulligan chose to do when she died March 26th. Shirley lived with her daughter Dawn, who also decided, because of the impact of the coronavirus on hospitals, to let her mom die peacefully at home.
If you dial 911 under the current circumstances, you know that she's going to die in the hospital and she's going to die alone.
Dawn also decided against a viewing.
You're looking at putting your family, your friends, the staff at the funeral home, all of those people you are putting at risk.
Shirley's graveside service at Loudon was broadcast on Facebook Live so that loved ones could witness the burial. The 5 people who attended sat or stood 6 feet apart, and Dawn told me it was emotional torture not to be able to hug or physically comfort one another.
It's times like this that makes you realize how much you do take for granted.
The Archdiocese of Baltimore has asked funeral homes to limit services to graveside. Patrick says he has begun taking photos for families who are missing this important last life chapter and using the funeral home's interactive website to allow them to express their grief. Well, Patrick says his employees, by the way, do have gear, protective gear, to protect themselves against exposure, and that his facility is able to accommodate a large number of deaths should that occur in this state, which we certainly hope does not happen. Nicole?